Good morning, my loving children. I'm your math teacher, S. Kiran. Welcome you all back to another session of maths online classes. Students, as previous videos, we have did the exercise number 5.2 till question number 6, 1 to 6. And I expect from everyone that you have completed that as a homework. There are many questions and in it on clean handwriting. Students, in this video we will complete this exercise number 5.2 complete whole exercise, but before proceeding I expect from everyone that use your headphones for the better listening and experiencing, and take out your textbook for the and get ready for the today's class. See, students, exercise number 5.2 question number 7. Students, as I have did in previous 1 or 2 questions I solved and 1 or 2 questions you solve. Students, first I will try question number B. I will do question number B. See how to do question number B. Curly bracket 5 by 9 3 or 6. 5 by 9 3 or 6. Students, supposed to be such types of questions are in front of you. How will you solve? First of all, if we simply what we will do, multiply the power. What we will do, multiply the power. What answer will become? 5 by 9 6 3 is 18. It is your answer. What question said? Using the law of exponents, compute the following of the answer in the exponential forms. They are asking in the exponential forms. That's why simply you can solve in this way. Now simply what you will do, power will multiply to is together, because power of power, it means exponents of exponent. So students, now we will do the question number 7 D. Question number A and question number C, it's your turn to do. Question number D, that is saying minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 to the power 5 to the power 5. What you will do, students? Simple. Previously minus 3 by 5 not down, and what the power is there, multiply it. What the result will be there? Minus 3 by 5 and power will be 25. It is your answer. And I think students we have understood. So let's proceed with the question number 8. In question number 8, see students, simplify and answer the following exponential form. Simplify and answer each of the following in exponential form. That you have to answer in exponential form only. What the question is that? See, minus 3 by 31 to the power 5 multiplied by minus 3 by 31 to the power 4 divided by minus 3 by 31 to the power 8. Minus 3 by 31 to the power 8. Students, simple what we will do, when the base is same. When the base is same, then power will be plus. When both are in multiplication, condition is that both base, same base should be in multiplication. When they are in multiplication, then power will be add. Okay? Or when they are in division, what you will do? That you will subtract. Then what the answer will be there? Minus 3 by 31 to the power 5 or 4, 9. Now here divide is there. So and base are same. In division form and base are same. What you will do? Power will be subtract. The answer will be minus 3 by 31 to the power 1. I hope you have understood. So students, see the question number next. 8 is there. Now tell me which question we should do. Just I will inform to you. Question number B. Do you think I should do question number 3? B, C, D. No, question number B you do. Question number C. I am coming to the question number C. 5 to the power 17. 5 to the power 17 into 5 to the power 19. 5 to the power 19 bracket divided by 5 to the power 37. Divided by 5 to the power 37. What you will do? See, both are in multiplication. First of all, both are in multiplication, and which and base are also same. What you will do? When the condition if base are same or in multiplication, what you will do? That power will be plus. That power 17 plus 19 we can write directly and divided by 5 to the power 37. What answer will be there? 5 to the power 9, 7, 6, 1, 1, 2 or 3 divided by 5. Now once again what days are same and both are in division form. Then what will we do? Divided by 5 to the power 37. Now 5 to the power 36 minus 37. If days are same or in division form, what we will do? Power will be subtract. Then we can say that 5 to the power minus 1. Are you getting my point, students? It is your answer. So now we will continue with the question number 9. See, in question number 9, what says? Simplify each of the following and express each as a rational number. Simplify each of the following and express as a rational number. See, students, supposed to be I am doing question number 9b. I am doing 9b. 2 by 3 to the power cube to the power cube into 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 to the power 4 into 7 by 2 to the power 3. So students, these questions will not be as simple. You have to be tried most. Question C. Can you write 2 by 3 to the power 3? Can you write into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3? Can you write? Sure. Now 3 by 5 to the power 4. Answer it. 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 into 3 by 5. And apart from it, 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Students, now students, now see, to what the power is given, that same number will be repeated as per the power. So now see, in numerator 2, denominator 2, it will be cancelled. Numerator 2, denominator 2 cancel. This or this cancel. This 3 cancel, 3 cancel, 3 cancel. What left? In numerator 3. In numerator 3 into 7 into 7 into 7. Are you getting my point? What answer will be there? 7 7 are 49, 49 7 are 343 or 343 into 3, 343 into 3, 9, 12, 10. Students, you can check 1029 and 5 have the 25 or 5 have the 25. 25 will be 25, 6 25. Students, it is your answer. So you can check multiplication somewhere may be mistake, so don't mind it and check from yourself. This is question number 9. Next, question number 9D. Now students, I am doing question number 9D. See, minus 3 by 4 to the power cube divided by minus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 to the power cube divided by 2 to the power cube divided by 2 to the power cube. Students, what you will do? Simple. Minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. You can see now base is not same. In spite of both are in division form. What you will do? That 3 minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4. Can you write? Can you write? after the division sign is there, when it will be changed or replaced by multiplication, what will be done? Next fraction will be reciprocal. It means numerator will be denominator or denominator will be numerator. So if we are converting it into multiply, then what will be there? 2y minus 5 into 2y minus 5 into 2y minus 5. Why? Because 3 terms are repeating. Now again divided by 2. Students, now give curly bracket 2 into 2 into 2. Mention it. Now see what we done. 2 to the 4, 2 to the cancel, and 2 to the 4. Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Minus 3 into 3, minus 9, or minus 9 into 3, minus 27. It's okay. By 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8, 5 to the 25, 25 5 the 125. 125 into 8. 1000. It means here will be 1000. When this bracket will be removed, what will be done? It will be replaced by multiply, and after that what the number is given, that will be reciprocal. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Say students, what the answer will be done? That will be multiplied. Minus 27, it is divisible? No. If it is not divisible, then it will be multiplied. What answer will come? Minus 27, 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 into 1, 8000. Students, it will be your answer. So students, what are the remaining questions of question number 9? You will do by yourself. Question number 10, only one question is given, that you should try by yourself. Question number 11. See, question number 11, one or two questions side. Make sure how to do. In question number 11a, say students, determine the value of x in which of the following? 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3, 7 is equal to 3 to the power 7x, is equal to 3 to the power 7x. Students, first of all, what you will do? When power is power of power. So students, see, I told you when exponential form exponential, it means कहने का सेंस है बेटा कि अगर एक्सपोनेंट पे एक्सपोनेंट है, उस कंडीशन में हम क्या करते हैं? बेस को एज इट इज रहने देंगे और एक्सपोनेंट को हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. 3 into 7, what is the result will be there? 21 is equal to 3 to the power 7x. अब बेटा देखो, now base is both base are equal. Okay, now leave what you have to find the value of x. Now you have to find the value of x. So now don't consider about base, directly write exponent. 21 is equal to 7x. Okay, then 7x. Now you have to find the value of x. What is the value of x equal to? 21 by 7. It means 3. I think you may come to know how to solve, and that all questions of question number 11 are based on this. So it's your turn to do. Okay. Now I'm doing the question number 12. Question number 12D. Students, question number 12D. It is last question which I am doing. Okay. 3 to the power inverse. 3 to the power inverse. It means 3 to the power minus 1. We can say minus 5 to the power minus 1 bracket. The power inverse. The power inverse. Now students, how can we solve? Simple. 3 to the power inverse can we write 1 by 3 minus 5 to the power inverse can we write 1 by 5 of power inverse. What you will do? Now we will take LCM. In LCM, what will come? 15. 3 5 of 5, 5 minus 3 power inverse. 2 by 15 to the power inverse. Now students, 2 to the power 2 to the by 2 by 15 to the power inverse. It means we can write 15 by 2. Okay students. So this is all about your exercise number 5.2, and I expect from everyone these chapters must be completed by yourself, and after the completion of this exercise send back to me the all solution. Okay students, till that, thank you, bye bye.